Hello ma'am, this is Nischal from K10 VQ section. So previously I got assigned with some project of web development. I just selected a movie ticket booking management system. For getting a movie ticket management system, I just designed a web page. So I'll show my home page over here. Yeah, this is my homepage. So whenever we hear about movie tickets or a show booking management system, we got strike with some things like we have some slideshows and with different languages. So yeah, basically I just took four languages: Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, and Mollywood. That is Malayalam. Yeah. On this basis, I just made first slide as Telugu, and second as Hindi, and third as English, and fourth as Malayalam. Yeah. On this basis, I also made some more things. Yeah. We can get over these things over here: Hollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood, and Mollywood. Okay. We'll go top. So whenever I click on this slideshow, okay, yes, this page says that we have to log in first. Okay, we should click login. Yeah, this is my favorite page over this all over the web page. I just made a background black and just took a container with same background black and just made a border of solid black and with some gradient. Yeah, and even I just made this effect by using a border bottom with 3 pixel and border radius of this border bottom as 10 or 20 pixel. Yeah, Nischal Mogala. Yeah, this is my user ID, and let's hide password. Yeah, I can show you this code. Yeah, let me check. Login.html. Yeah, I just made inbuilt CSS, internal CSS actually. Yeah. So whenever, yeah, I just made a container and avatar some classes. Okay, I'll show you the login container code of CSS. Yeah, here you can observe the login container. I just made a width of 300 and height of 700 pixel, and padding I just given randomly, and I made a border radius of 40 pixel, and the background is black. Absolutely. Yeah, the box shadow starts here. I just maintained three pixels, like three sizes and three directions, and this is the color for background box shadow. And I just given a minus 25 pixel, 60 pixel, and color also. So for that we got this dark black at this place and pale black at this place. So whenever I click login, we get to redirect this page. Yeah, I'll explain this main home page. Okay, actually this web page name is Book Your Show. I just made a copy of Book My Show. Yeah, coming to Hollywood, I just made Hollywood. Yeah, this is really nice animation. I'll show you this here. Yeah. I just made this Hollywood title, like I'll show you. Title 1 Hollywood. What is this one? Let me check. I'll go by Hollywood. Sorry, let me check. File card, or this one, not this one, not this one. Yeah. TITLE. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, actually this is really a cool thing. As we all know, I just mentioned the position relative left, right, text transformation as capitals. Okay, yeah, here's the cool part. title after where the content will be of nothing. This is also common. Yeah, this thing is really something good. I just mentioned a background image and a linear gradient. So I just used the linear gradient option to getting transparent line over here. Like you can see a transparent line over here, just like that with using some color. Yeah, a random color. Yeah, I'll explain this thing. Okay, I just made this animation effect over this so that whenever you click, whenever the cursor goes on a box, the image goes up with a 30% extra of it. So yeah, without placing cursor on it, the size of image is 30 pixel. So whenever you go on cursor out, the size will be of 60. I just made this by using hover effect. So whenever the container, whenever the cursor goes on a container, the image goes up with 70%, 20% of previous one. And yeah, so content, I'll show you about the content over here. Card. Yeah, I'll go with card one. Yes. Yeah, I just mentioned some basic height, width, and everything. Here I just made a background gradient, so I could, yeah, background as linear gradient, so I got this red over here and blue over here. So I just made by using this linear gradient option with these two colors. And I'll show you the cool part over this. Whenever the content is out of the cursor, like whenever the content is out of the box, like whenever the cursor is out of the box, the opacity will be 0 and visibility will be hidden of the content. That means you couldn't see any content over here whenever the cursor is not on the container. So yes, card hover content. So whenever the visibility will be off, visible, yeah, the visibility will be visible and opacity is 1. So whenever your cursor goes up it goes, yeah, I just mentioned that left, it goes with the left of 2%. So whenever I just click, it goes with 2% of height, left margin. Yeah, this is the thing over here. And in the same situation I just made a Tollywood films, RRR, BBM, some kind of movies. Yeah, so for this I just made a background platelet or a container, and I just imported an image and border radius of 50%, and I just made a border radius color of light powder blue. Yeah, whenever the cursor goes up, the container will goes by 20 pixel up. So I just made a clear thing. Yeah, comes to Bollywood. Yeah, this is my favorite picture. Bollywood, I just made a border radius and just image. That's it. Yeah, I just created a slide album for Chichore. Yes, actually, whenever you click on this, you can pass the movies only for this. Yeah, Chichore. So actually, this is also my favorite film. Yeah, I'll show you how I just made it. I'll explain over here. Okay, I just made border radius, border bottom and border left of 3 pixel, and just turned into degree of 45 degrees, and this is of 255 degrees. I'll show you the JavaScript over here that I used for the option flipping. This is the JavaScript I used. I just used two functions, next slide and previous slide. Coming to this, I just used over here this this list items, previous slide and next slide. Whenever we click on next slide, it goes +1, and whenever we click on previous, it goes -1 and plus of slides length. So this is how I made it. Coming to Mollywood, sorry, I just missed the alignment. So coming to Mollywood, I just created 4 images, 4 movies, and by using I just created by using. So whenever a cursor comes on the image will be same like that, and it comes a black screen over here, and text will appear over here. Yeah, I'll show you the thing. Hope this will be over here, and I know the class. Sorry, container. Yeah. So coming to container of this, yeah, I just use bus centering for centering this thing. Okay, image. Yeah, everything over starts here. Overlay, position, absolute. I just mentioned basic things. Yeah. Okay, this is the main thing. The transition will be, I just use a transition and opacity of 2.2 seconds and ease in out. So whenever the cursor whenever cursor goes on a platelet or a container, the image will be black. Sorry, yeah, background color will be black, and the content appears over this by position of -15 -50 pixel. Text element will be off center, obviously. Yeah, that's it. And the cool part over here is I just made some social links of mine. I even used a hover option over here, so whenever you goes on these 4 buttons or 4 places, some sorry my social links comes up, and on clicking we can go through it. For next slide. Yeah, this is my Instagram profile. Yeah, and one more thing, I just made a menu button. So whenever you click this option or as the menu option, it will come. The thing comes down by transition of -125 pixel and 40 pixel. So that from top it is of 40, and from right I think so. Sorry, and from left I made of 125. Sorry, from left I made of 125. So these are some things I just made over here. So let's go and check my profile. Yeah, this is my profile used for this. So I just use my profile, this animation effect for this my web page. So whenever you click, whenever your cursor comes on this place, this image will be divided into some parts, and I will be slide off. Sorry, my image will be slide off. So I just made of 10 pixel, 30 pixel and 50 pixel over here. Yeah, I can show you this. So whenever, yeah, profile card.html, this is nothing, I just a basic HTML code. I'll show you everything in CSS part. So whenever it comes to CSS part, I just made, this is also something blah 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 blah. No, this is important actually. Yeah, this thing I just divided into some child parts. So this is I just divided into 4 parts of 1, 2, 3, and the rest is 4. The transition delay, everything depends on the transition delay over here. And yeah, after hover, transition delay will be changed. So I could say easily in math basis, transition delay of span element is inversely proportional to transition delay of span hover element. Yeah, so if that would be fine, the option will be over like this. Yeah, hey, I'm Nischal Mogalapalli. Thank you. And let's go back. Yes. Okay, on clicking, so actually my favorite film is Iron Man, so I can book this movie. Yeah, I just made a transition delay. Yeah, transition delay. No, this is I just made by using some JavaScript. I can show you the JavaScript over here. Yes, skip. Yeah, I just made some span elements, and I used JavaScript code. No, a JavaScript link and JavaScript delay. So I just made a proceed of ID. So I just made an ID of proceed name, and I made a delay of 5 seconds. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, this is a Windows loader effect I just made for some fun. Okay, on clicking this next button, the page says select your seat. Okay, Here we can select our seats. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, these are some platinum. Let's book the platinum tickets. Oh, I just used abbreviation. Yes, that seat is booked. Yes, yes, yes. I used abbreviation tag over here so that so the user could easily identify the ticket is booked or not in order to go for next window. Okay, let's see with the platinum. This is booked. Oh no, yeah, this is not booked. So we can go book this situation. Yeah, this is a payment gateway. So I'll enter my card details and card number 1144. Actually, this is my random number I'm typing. 2024. Sorry, it doesn't even exist. Yeah. On clicking pay option, we can redirect to next page. So let's see what this payment process is consist of. Okay. Payment. I just done by using some kind of CSS. Okay, the fun part over this is I just use a placeholder. Okay, we already know placeholder is about, and I use data mask as something new thing. The data mask is used uh, for placement, a correct good placement. So like yeah, I made 4 set of my, what do you say, card number. I just made a set of 4 numbers. Okay, let's check, save, and then go baby. Sorry. So you can enter 8 digits at a time. So data mask is all about for placement. Now you can check 444444. Yeah. So next thing is all about pay. Wow, this is the end of my web page. Book your show. Black screen studio presents. I just made this section 2, row 2, seat 2. So actually date was expired. Yeah, we even had a barcode scanning. Enjoy the film by wasting 2 hours with us. Thank you so much.